Hello ladies and gentlemen, today we've got a slightly more different topic. I knew this topic has always been a huge problem for a lot of people, me including, and today I want to help you out and give you all the information you need to convince your parents finally to buy your gaming PC. And trust me, if you're going to listen exactly to what I tell you, your chances will increase, and I want you to fully focus right now and take these 5 minutes to listen to me. I assume if you've clicked on this video, you're still a student and you've got a super tough time trying to convince your parents to finally purchase your gaming PC. But you have to understand, parents tend to follow the reward system. Maybe try to find a compromise with your parents. Let's say if you get better marks this quarter of the school year, they will finally buy your gaming PC. Parents want the children to success, therefore it might be in their interest to get you motivated to actually try the hardest you can to actually get good marks in school. A lot of my friends back in high school got a gaming PC just simply because they provided good marks. Trust me, you don't have to be the best in the entire class, just make sure to get decent marks and it will make things 100 times easier. For me it was the same, I always got what I needed to enjoy my hobby simply because I provided good marks. Now let's continue with step number 2. Try to convince your parents that a more powerful PC is needed for school and overall it will make your entire process of learning way easier. You can work better with a faster PC, and trust me, your parents are from a time where loading times on PCs were horrible. They will understand the pain of a slow work progress. People had to wait for minutes to open the internet tab and get the results they searched for. Try to make them believe that you mainly will use the extra power for studies and it will make them so much easier. You can use more demanding programs and you just recently got interested in computer science. The next step is also super easy. Try to combine multiple holidays with your birthday and try to renounce multiple small presents or just simply wish for money. Tell your parents that you really want a gaming PC and tell other members of your family as well. They will understand your wish and most likely give you just cash or add a cut to the overall price of the PC. Yeah guys, I don't want to sound like a douchebag and I'm super aware that not everyone is getting the same amount of money for birthday or Christmas. Just keep in mind, especially everyone here in my audience, you don't always need the newest and most expensive PC out there on the market. All the i5 generations combined with let's say like a 1060, a 1070, a good mid-end graphics card will perform totally fine in every game you want to play right now. And don't disrespect people just because they don't have like let's say the newest i7 CPU or I don't know, the newest graphics card. We're all just gamers, we all just want to game obviously, and just because someone has like a slower PC rig or can't afford it, like don't make fun of them or try to compare yourself to them or compare them to you, because that just sucks, like don't do that. And yeah, now let's continue with the next step. Step number 4. Besides school marks, try to earn some money as well and tell your parents that every single dollar you hardly worked for is going to be used to finance your dream gaming PC. Show them that you can work hard for your dreams. As mentioned before, it's statistically proven that most of the parents follow the reward system and most likely will reward hard work. Just try to find some classic job for you, for young people, like delivering newspapers, cleaning windows or cut the lawn. I had a bunch of friends who were doing these types of jobs and they got paid $50 to simply clean a bunch of windows, since especially older people know the struggle of earning money as a young adult or a student, and trust in the good heartedness of the people around you and they will see your hard work and probably reward it. And now guys, the final step is kind of a cliche, but try to offer your parents to do several obligations at home like cleaning the kitchen, bringing out the trash or wash the car. Overall, the easiest way to convince your parents is to make them have a really good impression about yourself. If they see that you try your hardest, they will reward you. Trust me. And as an extra tip, maybe try to sell something. I know a lot of you guys who want to switch over to PC gaming already own a console, and I think if you add this extra money, I don't know for how much right now PS4 goes, but let's say like $150 if you sell it, that's already a good amount of money to actually build on a gaming PC off. And just put this money together, give it to your parents, and as I mentioned, do all the steps before, and your chances might increase significantly to get a gaming PC, guys. And I hope all your dreams will fulfill and you will get finally your gaming PC. And at the end of the video, guys, I just want to give you a huge thank you for passing 500 subs, guys. This is insane, literally. I'm more motivated than ever to actually produce content for you guys. And until next time, have a wonderful day. And if you've got any more questions, feel free to ask them down in the comment section. And until next time, peace.